I know the feeling. You're just getting started, you're looking online, and you're wondering, are these money making schemes a scam? Can I really trust them? I hear it all the time, but now I want to see how can I earn from affiliate marketing as a beginner? And that's what I'm going to go ahead and go over in this video, how you can exactly go and do that. Hey guys, my name is Michael Granados from Viral Home Based Pursuits, and in this video, I'm going to go over the tips and the strategies that you need to have to be able to go in affiliate marketing and crush it, okay? From the very beginning. All right, I've been doing this for a while now. I started my own health and business company within the Amazon niche world, and I've been able to grow that to a good income. And then after that, I was able to move into another project, which is being able to help you guys understand how to do affiliate marketing. Not only just do it, but to do it the right way. I know when I first came into this world, I had so many people that were doing this, that were claiming they were making $10,000, that were making 20, and it all seemed like a false truth to me. It all seemed make believe, a myth. And I did a lot of my own investigating, like maybe you are doing right now. Maybe you can't trust me, but hopefully that'll change if you stick here with me. I'll give you the details and know that I'm a reliable source when it comes to this. But I kept seeing people doing that, so it was like, this isn't true. You know what I mean? Like when I first started, it was about the time when I was working with the company, and I was being very undervalued, very underpaid, underappreciated, and I stuck with this company that was paying me at a minimum wage because I wanted to get more on my resume, more stability. It was a stability job. And, I got to a point where I was, working myself physically as well mentally. It was me working with budgets and doing data on the computer as much as it was like lifting heavy over 70-pound boxes and then using forklifts and whatnot. And, I got tired of that, and I felt like I needed a change. I felt like I needed to do something about it. Was I going to go back to school? I just finished 3+ years of school to go back to thinking I was going to do that, or should I take more certifications? So I turned to platforms like EDX, and I started thinking about it more. I was like, this is what it's going to come to. I got to learn more. I just stuffed my brain with a lot of physics, chemistry, mathematics, calculuses, and, business classes. Do I really need more? Until, I got in contact with a friend, and we started talking about this thing called affiliate marketing. And he told me that, yeah, look, I'm a trucker, but I'm also thinking about going into this. I've been hearing about it. And I said, whoa, that's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it myself. So that afternoon when I got off of work, I went home and I started doing my research. I looked it up, and what do you know? You probably come up across a lot of videos that do that, where they say, hey, here's $10,000, here's $5,000, you can make this kind of money. And so I was in this place where I was like, yeah, that's a scam. That's not something you just go online and do, especially something that I would ever do coming from an educational mindset, and being able to go online to do something. It didn't really make sense to me. But to me, it was about researching and figuring out if this thing was true and figuring out my why I wanted to do this. The why is the biggest reason that was pushing me to go online and to figure this out more. And as soon as I was able to do that, I was able to put up a site and drive people to it so they can buy products and stuff like that. Soon realized that that was a mistake, and I wasn't getting the traction that I wanted. So I had to change things up a bit and get actual training for this and see if legitimately this can actually work. And guess what? It did. Okay, it really changed everything. That's when I had my biggest thought, when I said I really needed real training for this. I didn't need to just go out there and start reading every single person's blog, watching every single YouTube, listening to every single podcast, only to gain so much knowledge and then go out there, do a little bit, and it wouldn't work, or get so much of this knowledge and not even put action behind it. So when I figured out that training was the right solution to all this, to getting behind a mentor that can help out and get you to move forward, everything just changed. And that's when I figured out that this could actually work. And some days I was making hundreds, some days I was making even more than that. And it was a great feeling to have and to know. So I want to be able to help you understand how you can do that as a beginner and then move forward with it, right? I'm tired of hearing people talking about affiliate marketing in a way that it shouldn't be. There's people out there that are unethical, and there's people who are ethical. I'm one of these who believes he is ethical. I don't try to push anything on you. I don't tell you to go and do this if you don't want to. I help you to make sure that you have the tools that you need in affiliate marketing. But if you don't want to do it yourself, then at the end of the day, that's something that you have to live with yourself. So affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is, it's basically getting people to see your offer. Once they go to that offer, they can click on it via an affiliate link, and they get taken over to a retailer, or otherwise we know as the merchant. And once they make a purchase, you get a commission percentage off of what they buy. And that's the amazing thing, is that there are so many online retailers right now that are huge, and they need your help. They need you to go in there and help them push out and promote their work. And you're not here to be a salesman. What you're here is to learn how to market yourself. That's what affiliate marketing is. You got to learn how to market yourself first before anything else. You got to learn what the tactics and the strategies are, and that's what I'm going to help you out with. And by the way, I didn't mention this earlier, but I do have a free course underneath here that walks you through what to do from the very beginning and as an expert in affiliate marketing, A to Z training. There are links in there, but that's up to you if you want to go through that training. I'm just showing you what I've been through in my own past. And it's all going to be in there, but it's going to walk you through everything from setting up, your mindset, to going into setting up a blog, if you want to, going into YouTube, what social media means, how to set up a WordPress website, and all these different things that I'm going to walk you through. And so one thing that I want to get your mind on, right, is that people think that they don't have to spend anything to get into affiliate marketing, that they can do this all for free. And that's one thing that I want to clear up is, as a beginner, you can start publishing work, keyword publishing, but over time, you're going to want to start getting tools for your business, right? Treat this as a business. Don't treat this as a side opportunity, and you're going to see your rewards, okay? You're going to see your hard work putting into this. A lot of people come into affiliate marketing thinking that it's like, hey, I'm just going to try this out, and after a month, I didn't get anything, so it doesn't work. Well, those are the expectations that you might have, that other people have, but once you're in it, you'll realize that that's not the truth. You come into this and you put in your time, you put in the work up front, and then you're going to see that snowball. So for example, as an affiliate marketer beginning, you can set up a blog. If you like writing, if you're into, if you're not an extroverted, if you don't have an extroverted personality, I don't have an extroverted personality as much as I do introverted, but you're seeing me on video, which is, I know how that sounds, but I started a blog, and I was able to grow it from time to time. And then I transitioned into like YouTube videos, and I was able to go to different networks. But the point is, you want to focus on one publishing platform. And you're probably thinking, publish, like, I'm not even an expert. I don't know how to publish. I don't have the skill. I don't know how to do this. Well, don't worry. I was in the same place, coming from more of a mathematical mindset to now having a health and wellness business. Took a lot. And it really helped when I had the right training, the right skills in place, the right templates. So once you have these pieces together, you don't never have to worry about like how to write, or worrying about, people thinking that I'm writing. Like, that was my biggest fear, is thinking that people were going to judge me, or they were going to find out that I was writing. And, I didn't come from that world. I thought that my parents would judge that. I thought that my little brother would judge that. I thought people would see me differently. But I realized that, hey, I'm in this for myself. This is what's making me special, and they're not going out of their way to become anything more. Let's go ahead and strap down and do this. They're working hard too, but I'm working hard as well. We're doing it in a different way, in a different manner that's also really helpful. And, when I figured out I didn't have the right skills, I turned to my training, and I figured out that, look, hey, there's pieces here that can help me produce a blog post. There's pieces here that can help me make a YouTube video. And there's pieces here that can help me do a podcast and so forth. So if you have that belief, it's like, it's out there for you to get training on. And I also help you with this in the course. So basically, as a beginner, you want to find your voice. And it really helps to be able to understand where you're coming from. You might not be the expert right now, but what you can do is you can start publishing content and showing your journey is an important thing, right? People want to get to know your journey. Not necessarily because you are an expert at this moment in time, doesn't mean you can't. You just have to go out there and publish, right? If you're into blogging, if you're into video, Facebook Lives, right? YouTube, podcast, you go out there and find your voice. Be what's called the attractive character. That's what people want to see in you as an affiliate. They want to get to know people. People buy from people. And so the whole thing about going out and putting your links out on social media, that doesn't work. You might get, yes, like a couple sales here and there, but it's not going to be sustainable. And you're looking for sustainability, I hope, right? And so as a beginner, you don't want to get caught up in that world of spending too much time on social media, spending countless hours flipping through your phone only to find, posts about friends that sometimes don't even like matter. And they take so much time away from your schedule. And so it's really about putting a plan in, right? It's really about saying, look, as an affiliate, I'm going to take this serious. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start publishing on my blog for 2 to 3 posts a week, right? I'm going to keep doing this, be consistent at it, and I'm going to see my rewards. And that's the key word I want you to take from all this. If you didn't take anything from this video, the one thing that I want you to take is to be consistent. As a beginner, you need to be consistent. And you need to figure out who it is you are and how you can bring value into your marketplace, right? The market decides what's working for you too. Bring your voice out there. It's going to show you, it's going to give you feedback into what's working, what's not working, what you can do better. And so being an affiliate is the greatest feeling because, yes, I'm able to work from home now. I can do this full time, but I wasn't there in just overnight. I didn't get there. I had to spend time perfecting my craft. I had to spend time publishing on blogs, getting out of my comfort zone. And that's something I want to challenge you on is as an affiliate, you need to get out of your shell, get out of your comfort zone, leave yourself and tell yourself that you're going to do this and nothing's going to stop me, that I'm going to triumph everything. And then I have my word out there that I want to help out other people, because at the end of this, you're here not to offer products. You're here to solve a result to somebody, solve a problem, give them a result. And so you do that with, your communication. You do that with figuring out what pain problems your market and your audience has. What do they need as a solution to those problems? And then you help them out that way. So I know it sounds like a lot, and it could sound overwhelming a bit, especially if you haven't started yet. But really, just if you can get the concept of publishing consistently on your platform, taking action is the most biggest thing you're going to learn too, then you'll be fine. You're going to be figuring out, okay, this is who I am. This is how I can spread my message across. This is what people are understanding from me. This is what I need to get better at. But once you start doing that, everything will start falling in line and your pieces to the puzzle will start coming together. So as an affiliate, when you're getting started, before anything, you have to have the right mindset and the right approach about it. You need to ask yourself questions like, what do I fear most? How can I get over that fear? Ask yourself. Like my fear, for example, was that people were going to judge me for coming into the internet and getting started. I feared that I wouldn't be profitable. I feared that I wouldn't be able to help people. I feared that, the people who loved me most were going to continue to support me, and I wasn't going to be able to go out and, financially, purchase something that I wanted to. I felt like, I was getting so much help, and I was on, for a while, I was on the benefits, unemployment benefits, and that's when I said to myself, I can't do this. And I took the time to say, okay, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to actually start working at this. And that's what really pushed me to go forward. And I hope that you can find out why you want to do this. I hope that you don't just start this and then end it in the next month. Okay, I hope you can really sit down with yourself and think of yourself and say, what do I fear most? What are my beliefs about this? How can I get over those beliefs? And then start working on yourself more, mentally, spiritually. And then go forward from there and become the person that you want to be. Learn the skills. You're going to learn all this within my course too. It's going to be underneath here. That's all for free. So get in there, get access to it. You're going to see a lot of things maybe that you're not used to seeing, but take it one step at a time. Okay. This is something I accumulated over years. Okay. So it's not something I just slapped together and said, here you go watch it. I actually revealed to you my businesses in there. But in short, just to recap, how to start as a beginner, get your mind right. Figure out what you are having troubles with, what you fear, what your belief is that you can overcome, and then really start learning these skills. Because most people jump into like, I need a skill, I need to go do this, I need to go push products out, I need to go get a link from a retailer, right? Because these retailers like Amazon give you a link, and they give you, they approve your affiliate program. They approve you to be an affiliate of them, and then you can go out there and promote your links. But most people go right away into that zone where they just push people's products on social media. They have no idea what they're doing. They go to Facebook groups and they just spam their links all over the place, hoping somebody would buy. Maybe a long time ago that would have worked. Still works maybe once in a while. You hit it, but you're going to fall short of your expectations. And until you change these expectations, then you are going to see the world open up. You're going to be more three-dimensional. That's what I want you to understand is don't be one-dimensional, be three-dimensional. And understand that there is so much more out there that you have not learned. And once you can start doing this, you're going to make those $100. You're going to get into the thousands, 5,000s. And you're going to realize, okay, whoa, my goal wasn't I wanted just a couple $100, but then you're going to say, okay, well, let me see if I can take this further. You're going to take it further. You're going to start scaling. You're going to start seeing your rewards. Okay. So as an affiliate, when you're starting out as a beginner, how you can earn is by going out there to help people who have problems in your industry, who don't necessarily know what to do, but you do. You go out there, publish content, and you can put your affiliate links in there, drive your traffic to these affiliate links, and then see if people can purchase from you. But doing it about going on social media, spamming your links, going to people's different Facebook groups, putting up a website, just throwing up a product, just go buy. That's not the way it works. So only with the skills you're going to learn how to do this. And really, when you do that, you're going to find your voice in your marketplace, and you're going to understand what's best for you, what's best for your audience, and how to move forward with that. So one last thing I want to say is that I do have more videos on this underneath here. I've made previous videos on how to make a passive income with affiliate marketing that actually goes onto the whiteboard, and it'll show you what I would do, where I started, and how to pick your market, how to move forward with that. And it just talks about more in detail as well from that point of view on what you should be doing. So if you have any more questions, make sure you leave me a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, because I'll be coming out with more of these videos. And yeah, for anything in general, go ahead and reach out to me, and I will go ahead and get back to you. All right, thanks.